So hi guys, welcome to Think and Code, and in this video we are going to learn if-else control statement. So for that we'll go to edit plus and we'll create one new file. This time we'll create a new Java file and we can see it's created some basic structures. We'll name it if-else statement. Okay, so this thing we are now required. So in if we can remember, like in if we have to pass the condition, then if block will execute. If that condition is returning true, then only that if block will execute. Okay, so to demonstrate, let's declare a int type variable of age and assign a value of 18. So we'll check like if age is less than 18. Okay, then in this case we will print not eligible to vote. Okay, let's just save it and see the output of it. Let's just copy this name, then I'll save it. This time I no need to give .java because we are already saving it as .java. Okay, so now we'll go to that folder. These are the old files. Let's delete it. This is our new file. Let's open command prompt here. Java C if-else entry.java. It's compiled. Okay, doesn't mean anything because this condition is not satisfying. Here age is 18. Okay? Where 18 less than 18, this condition is not satisfying. So because of that, it doesn't print anything even though we wrote the system.out.println. Okay? So to print that, we need another keyword called else, showing that what we can do and print eligible to vote. Let's just save it and execute again to recompile. Then execute. Okay, see, eligible to vote. This time it's printed eligible to vote. So the thing is, if this condition is satisfying, then it will execute this under this. So this is if block, this is else block. So whatever this condition is satisfying, within this block it will execute. Other than that, the control will come here and it will execute the statements written in this block. Okay, so we'll see another thing. Suppose, just assume like the people are eligible to vote who belongs to 18 to 50 age. Okay, so above 50 they are not eligible again. So this condition, if we compare, if we pass here 51 less than 18, no, then this won't execute. But in this case, this will execute again. So this is eligible to vote. But in this case, this is wrong as per our requirement. So what we have to do in this case, we can write else if here. Okay, and we can pass condition. In this condition, we can pass if age is greater than 50, then not eligible to vote. Other than that, eligible to vote. Okay, now it's correctly same. If it is greater than 50, so here first it will come. Suppose we are giving 51. So 51, first here it will check it's not true. Here it will check it's true. Then it will print not eligible to vote as age is more than 50. Other than that, from 18 to 50, everyone will be eligible to vote. So let's just print this and see the result. We have to recompile again. See, not eligible to vote. We'll just pass 23. Recompile again. Eligible to vote. Okay, understood? So now we'll convert this two line into nested if else. Okay. So what we will do, we'll change a little here. Okay. We'll change this to greater than equals to 80. So, and change here not eligible to vote. We'll remove this if. We keep only one else. Okay. Now here all greater than equals to 18 will be eligible to vote. But as per our previous scenario, more than 50 age would not eligible to vote, right? So in this case, we can write if within if. This is nested if. So we can put another condition here, age greater than 50. Will be not eligible to vote. Okay, and this last statement you can either put inside else, or if you are not putting it inside else also, it will act as else only. So whatever the age we will put, if it is greater than 18, so means 23 greater than 18, this condition is satisfied. So now it will again check age greater than 50, so 23 greater than 50, no. So this statement won't execute. So else statement here, eligible to vote. Okay, so you'll see this output. You have to recompile again. eligible to vote. Now we'll change this value to 51. Let's see whether it is not eligible to vote coming on. Okay, let's just recompile again. See, not eligible. Okay, understood? Okay, that's it for if else, guys. If you still didn't subscribe my channel, please do subscribe, and I'll be posting this source code into the description box also. So all the videos will have the source code in the description box link. You can get it. So till then, we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.